business.
Now, in a bid to boost industrialization and address food security in the country, the Kenya Industrial Research and Development Institute, KIRDI, is training scores of young people, women and people with disabilities on innovative technologies. Now, during a training session in Eldoret, Uasin Gishu County, youth and women from the North Rift region gained valuable skills in food and animal feed value addition. They were trained on best practices to acquire skills and create employment opportunities. The targeted beneficiaries have embraced technology and eco-friendly methods to develop products such as beetroot powder, dried vegetables, honey from stingless bees, and animal feeds.
Through processing, drying and grinding, I've come up with this product which can be used as a beverage and also a topping to other drinks like yogurt or even smoothies. So beetroot has very many benefits to the body, like it is anti-cancer.
Technology will help me to improve food security in my area. One, it has a lot of nutritional values that will help women and children grow and also develop their brains and help them have a good health in future.
These participants, basically, they are drawn from a program which we are undertaking under the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. The program is called KEP, an acronym for Kenya Industry Entrepreneurship Project. And this particular project targets women, youth and people with disability to improve their managerial skills and also their technical skills towards them being more productive in their industries and also improving in form of their innovativeness.